Hashtag Garden 2023. Those are the social media tags if you want to follow what I'm planting, how my garden is doing, what I'm harvesting, how my flowers are going. So it's hashtag Garden 2023. It's full-blown garden time, guys, folks. It's time to start going to your local garden center, to Lowe's, to Home Depot, collecting your seeds, looking at the seedlings to see what you're gonna plant. Remember, a lot of things can be planted directly into the ground, like your kale and your collards and your lettuce. Remember, you can grow things right up a fence, like cucumbers or beans for that matter. When you buy tomatoes, determinants mean they're going to stop growing at some time, and indeterminate mean they're going to grow forever. You can plant things in planters, buckets, raised beds, the side of your house. Get creative. I want to see each and every one of you growing something. This year and last, I started 2 mushroom beds. I'm growing wine cap mushrooms that grow on manure and wood chips. And thank you for those who've been getting me the wood chips. It's important. It's great to grow your things. It's great for you. It's great to get your hand in the dirt. It's great to be a little bit unsanitary. It's great to have your feet on the ground, and it's great for you to eat that biodynamic food that you grow. So get gardening, get going, start. Be careful, it's still a little cool, but you can start planting soon, if not now. As always, be awesome and